Hi, it's Timo. In the last video, I used ChatGPT to help Laura create job searching documents to become a talent acquisition manager. In this video, we'll continue with the same topic. Next, let's use ChatGPT to help customize your cover letter, focusing on relevant experience, skills, and achievements. First, as always, I'll give AI a role. And next, I'll use the following prompt. I found a very interesting job advertisement in English for a talent acquisition manager at a hospitality company. I'm in the process of making a target job application for this position. My goal is to get this job. Don't do anything until I say go. And then next prompt is it's a pretty long one. So the next prompt is I'll feed you a job ad next. Here's the job ad, and then I copy paste the interesting job ad. Let's go. Then I need to use the following prompt. And it is, I will now feed you my CV. Here's my CV. Here we go. Okay, now it says that it will guide. Oh, it already started to create so fast. I didn't give it permission yet. No worries. Let's do it again. It's so eager. Conversational AI is so eager to work. And then it even says adjustments to your CV. Okay. Yeah, pretty useful information, extra information, even if I didn't ask for that. Okay, let's wait. We are not in a hurry here because it will be very useful info or tips. Okay, finally. Thank you. Now, my next prompt is, please make me a marketable and well-targeted application in English in response to my response to the job ads. And now I feed it go. And then it starts working and generating well-targeted cover letter. Let's see. Dear hiring manager, writing to express my keen interest in language management position advertised. And then it discusses Laura's 6 years of comprehensive HR experience. The opportunity to contribute to company's name growth across Finland, Europe. Will my expert in recruitment strategy and telemedicine is a challenge I'm eager to embrace. Then the next chapter, throughout my career, I've demonstrated capability for enhancing recruitment process, etc. What excites me most about the role company name is not just the chance to apply my background in multi-site customer-facing business environments, but also etc. I'm enthusiastic about the possibility of bringing my blend of strategy insight. Thank you for considering my application. Warm regards. And then it even suggests more CV adjustments, which will be obviously highly useful. All right. I would say it's pretty good. The cover generated by AI, yet I do have the final prompt here ready. Thank you. Please rewrite in English by dividing it into 4 paragraphs. Paragraph 1, tell me about the motivation for the position and the field. Emphasize that I want to take the next step in my career. Paragraph 2, briefly describe what I do now and briefly talk about my work experience. Paragraph 3, describe my 5 most important work skills for the position. And paragraph 4, refer to a future meeting. And here we go. Now I'm really curious whether it creates even better and even more targeted cover letter. Dear hiring manager, I'm deeply motivated to apply for talent at the company name, drawn by the prospect of joining a renowned brand in the hospitality resort industry. And the next chapter, currently as a talent acquisition specialist, I design and implement innovative recruitment strategies that, etc. My proficiency in a range of skills in suited for this role, including strategic recruitment planning, etc. I'm enthusiastic about the possibility of bringing my unique blend of skills and experience to company name. Yeah, it's better now, I would say. And AI says this version succinctly, difficult word, captures your motivation, current role and experience, key skills, and anticipation for a future discussion tailored to the structure requested. Okay, actually, thank you so much. Let's give the final optional prompt. Thank you so much. Please make it a tiny bit shorter, but keep the 4 paragraphs. Yeah, okay, let's see. And it started working. Dear I imagine I'm excited to apply for the talent manager role at the company name, eager to transition my HR and talent acquisition expertise. Yeah, that's a really brief and targeted motivational start. In my current role as a talent acquisition specialist, I have successfully enhanced recruitment strategies, operational efficiency. Yeah. I bring essential skills to this role, including strategic recruitment planning, effective stakeholder. Then it discusses Laura's skills, target skills, and finally, it refers to the job interview meeting. I'm keen to discuss in further detail how I can contribute to company name. I look forward to the possibility of meeting with you. Thank you for considering my application. Yeah, it is good. Yeah, it is way shorter. So in reality, you may want to probably you may want to create a synthesis of these 2 versions, a bit longer version and a bit shorter version, and of course you may even heavily edit to your own personality and motivation, etc. in the customized cover letter. In the next video, we'll continue to use ChatGPT to implement Laura's job search plan. Thanks for watching.